Welcome to the next song in our hashtag The Pro Challenge. This is part of the 4-chord songs that we're doing. This one has a personal connection with me. This is a great song. This one is Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. So in our attempts to find some 4-chord songs that not necessarily they're not popular, because this is obviously a huge hit and a great song for Coldplay, but just songs that not necessarily done all the time. We chose this one, Coldplay. It's going to sound a little something like this. All right, now the chords themselves are not too bad. The rhythm is a little tricky. I'm going to do the best I can to explain it. And then at the end of this, we're going to go ahead and play along, and we're going to sing that first verse and chorus. All right. 4 chords you need. D minor. B. Although there's a kind of a cool chord you can do here. It's not really necessarily what they play, but it's kind of cool. Instead of the B flat, is what I meant to say, B flat chord, it's going to be a B flat major 7. Actually, so that's why it's not a bar chord. That chord actually kind of works, and I'll show you the difference between the two, but anyway, that's an option. And then it's going to go to F, and then to A minor. All right, so those are the 4 chords. If I just did them like this, it'd just be like D minor to the B flat, to the F, and to the A minor. All right, so I chose to play this Enya. This is The Mermaid, and this is all solid koa wood, something that very, very, very nice ukulele. I actually have it up on my store. I might actually just keep it. It's a pretty cool ukulele. What are you playing? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you're playing. What instruments? This one, by the way, has a high G on it. All right, let me show you the strum pattern, and we'll get right into it. All right, so I'm kind of doing something a little fancy at the end of it. Quick little down up. You don't have to do it, but I think it sounds cool. All right, so grab your D minor. Let's just work on it there. It's going to go down, up, down. Now this is not like an 8th note down, up, down. This is it's kind of hard to explain. I don't want to get too technical in it, but basically, it's like you're going to have 3 strums equally distanced within 2 beats. That's what it's going to go down, up, down. And you kind of almost have to feel it, okay? So just follow me. That's going to be the ease. I don't want to get too technical in this video. Okay, so it's going to go down, up, down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another quick up, down, and then quick down, up. So like this. That's it. Let's do that a couple times just on the D minor chord. Here we go. Ready, and so let's just do it in one measured chunk. So we can do. Okay, one more time. And okay, again, I'm just going to go down, up, down, and there's going to be like a little pause. Up, down, down, up. One more time. All right, it's a little tricky. You can get it down, though. You can do it. You can do it. And the nice thing about it is the chords aren't too bad. All right, so let's do it now with the progression. And one more time. All right, now before we do it with the vocals, I'm real excited about it. I'll play it one time. Remember that I was telling you about that B flat major 7 chord you could play? It would sound like this. Anyway, if you want to do that chord, do that chord. It's a little simpler. That way, it's no bar chords whatsoever. And the reason why this song is very special to me is that this was my cousin's favorite song, favorite Coldplay song, and every time I think about it, I think of him. He passed away, and so it's a very special song to me, and that's why. But I also love the song as well, so that's why we're doing it here. So shall we do it? Let's go ahead and do it now. We're going to add the vocals. So your first, that's your vocal melody. So it's actually the A note. You can see your open first string. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky. That's your starting note. Okay, we'll do the progression one time through, and then the vocals will come in on the second time. 3, 4, and... 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna give you my heart. Ooh. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I think I saw you. All right. Whew. Song's got a little bit of falsetto in it. I'm glad that I took it down a half step from the original key, which is D sharp minor, B, F sharp, and then A sharp. So I took it down a half step so we can do it. So anyway, great song. Very cool strum pattern. Get it down. It might be a little bit of a challenge for you, but that's good. That's why we're here at the Pro Challenge. I look forward to seeing your videos, and we'll see you next time.